Hey my lovelies, and welcome back to Nate's Kitchen. Today we are making something really delicious and slightly different from regular jollof rice that you know. We are making coconut jollof rice using fresh coconuts, and I'm also going to show you the tips and tricks of getting your coconut jollof rice perfect. So without wasting so much of your time, join me, let's get into it. These are the ingredients I will be using. I have my rice, chicken, coconuts, pepper mix, and the rest. Next, in a clean pot, add in your protein of choice, onions, salt, seasoning cube, and blended pepper mix. Mix to combine, cover and cook on a medium heat for 5 minutes before adding water. While the chicken is cooking, let's prep our coconut milk. I already cracked and deshelled the coconut off camera, so I will start by cutting it into bite-sized pieces and blending it in my Ninja blender. After blending, pour into your cheesecloth or sieve and squeeze it out really well. I added a bit of hot water just to help extract as much milk as possible. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking, and to my returning subscribers, you're welcome back. You guys are amazing. If you have watched this video to this point, please subscribe, hit that like button and share with your loved ones so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. 5 minutes later, let's check on our chicken. Add some water, cover it up and let it cook until the chicken is fully cooked. Next, heat up your oil in a pot and add your chopped chicken breast, onions, salt, seasoning cube, a bit of blended pepper mix, chicken seasoning, and fry everything together until the chicken is golden brown, and then scoop it out and set aside. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat up your oil in a pot, add your onions and fry them for a few minutes. Add your pepper mix and fry until the oil starts to float on the top. Add your seasoning cube and crayfish. Give it a good stir. Next, add your washed rice and toast it in the base for a few minutes. Finally, pour in your coconut milk and chicken stock. Mix everything well. Cover the pot with a foil. Cook on a low to medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. "25 minutes later, let's check on the food. Add your fresh onions and fried chicken breast. Give it a gentle mix and let it simmer for another 5 minutes on a low heat. And just like that, our authentic coconut jollof rice is ready to serve. I am serving mine with grilled chicken. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your loved ones so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!